Ryan with Mason Dixon Diggers, and I'm outside Richmond, Virginia. I'm outside with some horses on a horse farm, actually, that find me very interesting, as you can see. Really nice horses, and hopefully I find some relics today. So join me, and we'll see if I can get something out of this field. All right, I'm on to my second bullet signal in the hole with the Garrett AT Max, and I've got my buddy Tim over there. He's swinging the Equinox 800, and since I'm blowing him out of the water, let's continue that. So I think I got a bullet signal. So let's get it together. Here we go. Where are you? There it is. We got a fired 3-ringer. All right, let's keep it going. All right, we got Tim here. I think he's got his first bullet trying to catch up to the AT Max. So let's see what he's got. He said it sounded pretty good. So let's see what we can find in this hard Virginia dirt. I'm telling you, this dirt is like rock hard. We should have brought a pickaxe with us.
Rock hard.
Yeah, I think after all that, you might get it. There you go. It's on. Uh-oh. I hear it in there. I hear it. That's where you gotta go, in that corner right there. I think it's just deeper, because these bullets in here are almost a foot deep. Yeah, I think you're good on that one.
I just hit it.
There you go. I believe it's out, sir. Wait. Probably in that pile right there. There it is. There it is right there. What we got there? All right, you got your fire bullet. First fire bullet of the day.
3-ringer.
Nice. All right, keep it going. All right, and we're on to the next signal. Tim's over there swinging his coil, and I think I got another signal. So it's super deep. There's a ton of ants in this hole. As you can see, I disturbed some type of, I don't know, looks like a fire ant nest or something. I better be careful and get this bullet out quick. All right, so let's see where it is, see if I got it out. No, but as you can see, it's over a foot deep, getting it down on the AT Max. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, what is it? It's a fired 3-ringer. Getting it done. Yes! So I just learned a valuable lesson to always check your hole after you dig a relic, because I think I've got another bullet in the dirt pile. So there must have been 2 fire bullets in this hole. So let's see what we got. Try not to get eat up by any more fire ants. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. There's another fire bullet in this hole. There's 2 fire bullets in this hole. They could have collided. Who knows? Could have hit a tree that once was here. That is awesome. Getting it done. All right, I think I got another bullet in the hole. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Yeah. Another fire bullet from the Civil War, baby. Yeah.
Shot
right.
3-ringer.
Yep.
Way to go, Ryan.
All right, Tim just called me over, says he's got a deep bullet, so let's see what we got. Here we go. Think it's out of the hole?
See that pinpoint?
Oh yeah, here you go. You gotta turn it on. It's out.
Turn on.
Yeah. It's out in the dirt pile?
I believe so. Oh yeah.
Oh, round ball. There you go.
Yep.
Nice.
Deep.
Nice drop round ball. Nice.
Yep.
Man, this dirt is so hard. It's like digging through concrete. Man, getting it done. That's right. I think I've got a bullet in the hole. Let's see what we got. Let's get it together. Here we go. is a dropped round ball. All right, getting it done. All right, I think I'm in a kind of a bullet hotspot. I'm finding a lot of dropped round balls in this area right here. So I think I've got another one. Actually, I can kind of see it in the sidewall. If you see it right there, let's try to pop it out together. Actually, I might need my shovel. Hopefully I don't hit it. There it is. Get out of there. Ground is so hard. There it is. Dropped round ball from the Civil War. All right. All right, we are finished metal detecting, and I got 13 bullets, and Tim got about 9. So not bad. So good day hunting, and thanks for watching.